Okay, so now we're going to do some other settings, and what we're going to do is click on your name up here and then go over to YouTube settings over here. Okay, you can see I've got connected to Google Plus, etc. Don't worry about this advanced stuff, it's for applications and things like apps and things like that. You don't want to disconnect. If you want to change your password, that's where you would go and change it. Mobile uploads, if you use uploads via smartphones and stuff, that's the email address you would use to send. And we can click on here and look at connected accounts. Stranger Orkut is no longer here. It used to be Orkut, Facebook and Twitter. Okay, so we're going to connect these anyway. So I'm going to connect Facebook. That means our content gets syndicated over to Facebook. It's always a good idea to do that. That's how you can get videos noticed on a larger scale as well, shared, etc. And definitely to Twitter. Okay, that's done. Now you can change these parts here. If you don't want to notify subscribers if when you uploaded a video or public playlist, etc., you can keep that off. I'm going to keep it on for the sake of this, and I'm going to click save in here. Okay, come over here to the privacy. Keep all my likes private. You can do that if you want to. Subscriptions, keep private. Share messages, share videos, no. I'm going to leave that just as it is right now. Email address is there, you can change it to something else. What I would do is I would go into that account and I would forward it. Okay, and that's probably what I'm going to do, but you don't need to see me doing that on video. It's pretty easy to do. Send emails when all this stuff happens. I don't really want that kind of thing. I don't want to see emails. You know, I'll go in and I'll check, and there'll be a little thing up here with a number. That's free messages I've got there from Google, which I know about already, but they will appear up here if I want to see anything. Newsletters, I'll just put for general updates. No, it doesn't let me choose. Okay, fine. So we're going to save that, and that's done. Now what we can do as well, come over here, get into the video manager. Okay, now when we're in the video manager, we can see various things that we can do. What uploads we've got, what playlists we've got. We haven't got any. Watch history, search history, that's the searches you do within YouTube. I've got a feeling, because for example, if I'm typing in here video SEO, okay, and if I put in here YouTube SEO, and I put in here video optimization, and I might put in here video marketing. Okay, it's giving you these different options over here to add channels that you might be interested in as well. But just go back into, let's take some of these actually before we do. So I'm going to subscribe to some of these. And we can open some of these in a different tab, which I will do later actually. I'm going to come back in here and do that later. Let's go back over here. Video manager. Okay, let's go into search history now. You can see we're building some kind of relevance here. And we're getting some keywords on the channel as well. Interesting. No idea if it works, if it makes a difference, but anyway. Watch later, you could do something similar if you've got the time to do that. I'm not that bothered. Favorites, you can add some favorites in here, and you could do that with your other channels as well. Likes, you can do that as well. Okay, let's go down to the channel settings one more time. What we want to do here, account status, see what it says, verify here. and it's going to ask you for voice call or SMS. I'm going to put this in there, click submit. So it's going to give me a code in a second. I'm going to verify that. Okay, so that took about 30 seconds to do, and as we keep coming down here, okay, so everything good standing. Monetization not eligible, you need to become a partner to be eligible. They will tell you when they feel like it. External annotations, no, I can't do that until I'm a partner. Custom thumbnails, can't do that until you're a partner, and all that kind of stuff. Unlisted and private videos, yes, you can do. Okay, so that's done, we've verified. Let's go into some defaults now. Okay. Now, if you're a product creator and you do use YouTube like I do, I just find it easier. I don't really give a crap if people find my content or not. I like branding my content anyway, and I'm more into selling softwares than selling courses. So I keep this on public. Okay, sometimes I want to do something that's unlisted, but I keep it on public. Right. Category, usually I'm going to be in education or how to. I'm going to keep on how to. YouTube license, keep it standard. And title, I never touch the title, but in the description I'm always going to have something like this now. Click here to get your free, whatever that might be. So I can leave a space, and I'm going to put http www. And leave it at that at the moment, so that's easy for me to fill in later. Okay, you can do stuff like this, find out more, such and such a URL, or find me on Twitter, or find me on Facebook, and all that kind of stuff if you really want to. I'm going to leave that blank, I don't think it's needed right now. And in the tags, what we're going to do, this channel is going to be completely about video optimization and traffic and stuff like that, so I'm going to put video SEO. Okay, here we got some stuff here already done. Okay, so let's max it out a little bit more. The important thing here is that when all this stuff is in there, when you're actually uploading a video, those will appear in your tags automatically. You can just get rid of them very easy. Yeah, so you can just fill these in for what you think you might want to use and just delete them. It's easier to delete them than type them out. That's the point I'm trying to make. Comments, responses, everything, I'm going to leave it there. Suggested improvements, keep it there. Video location, so I'm going to put in here Pattaya, Thailand. I'm going to do the search. Okay, that's done, and I'm going to click save. Right, I'm just going to come back and double check down here. Yeah, I've got my coordinates in there. In video programming, feature your channel or feature a video. Okay, you can choose either or. I would choose to feature the channel because it will build up, and every new video is going to be the one that's going to be highlighted when they go into the featured one, because I don't leave the featured as one particular video. What I do is just leave it for the last one. So I'm going to keep it top right, display time for the entire video, or you can put it at the end of the video at the custom start time. I don't think you need it for the whole video, so I'm going to put start time 1:30, and duration we can put for, say, 30 seconds. And if anybody's asking how do you know that you're going to do a video, it's going to be more than 1 minute 30 to 2 minutes. Well, you're sitting through, this is a typical video of mine, they're never any shorter. Okay, so all of that's done. Okay, now we'll click on the analytics. You're not going to see anything in here, and we will start adding in now. I'm just double checking I'm not missing anything here. Viewers, demographics, playback locations, traffic sources, audience retention, really important. Okay, but we're going to fix that when we're doing stuff. Subscribers, likes, favorites, comments, sharing, annotations, everything okay there. Inbox we can click. No messages, strange. Right, usually you have a bunch from Google there. I'm going to click on the settings just to make sure I haven't missed anything. No, all done. So we've done our video settings, and we have done our channel settings. Now what we need to start doing is to start adding some information and videos and stuff into the channel itself. Okay, so sorry if this one went on a little bit long, but I wanted to cover everything that was in there, make sure I didn't miss anything. Often with YouTube you will find that they change things around a lot, okay, and when they start changing things around a lot, sometimes you think, damn, where did they put this and where did they put that? They move things around quite often these days, so it's always best to double check whenever you get into optimize the channel. But if I'm not talking and I'm doing this, it'd probably take me about 20 minutes all in to do the whole lot. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.